All right, let's go over the most basic one, most simplistic one, which would be just the basic for loop. So here, uh, as you would know, looping over a list, there's multiple ways to do it, but probably the simplest, basic, oldest way is using just the normal for each loop. So here, we just do string item. So for every item in the list, do something. So for now, what we'll do is we'll just output it. So here, we'll just output the item. And then the way to do this with streams is also really easy. What you can do is just do list.stream.forEach item, output the item. So both of these are really easy and simplistic. The nice thing about the streams, though, is that you can chain them together such that you can do filters and all the other nice cool stuff without having to have a stream and then a for each loop afterward. And another nice thing is that with the for each, if it's only the for each and you're not chaining anything else together, then you can totally remove the stream and then just do a list.forEach and it works just as well. Here, we'll go ahead and run it and should output this list. And there we go. Perfect.